complaining.
How do I get down?
Sure, you want a piggyback ride? I'm gonna die.
Work it, Gracie, work it. Haley.
Actually, it's all to you. This one go better. Oh god, don't take her camping.
Alright.
Oh, that would take forever.
Whoa, snap.
That is a giant bush of...
Oh!
Oh!
I
Oh!
don't want to
It made down.
Oh, yes.
This is so going on MySpace.
What happens if you smoke poison oak?
You can get it in your lungs and you'll be like, ah!
Dang, that would suck.
But if you, like, I guess if you drink...
Hey, does anyone watch 1,000 Ways to Die on TV?
I watched some.
Oh, I do.
What happened was
Yeah, I
that these guys were like desperate to get high, smoked this random plant, ended up being the most poisonous plant in North America, and they
You
died.
see the one where the guys snorted the red ants?
No.
Oh, these guys were going to Ozfest and they're like, let's snort some red ants. And so they're like, and then the ants went in there and they were biting all their insides and they died. It was awesome.
The one I saw was the carrot in the other place down there.
Oh,
That was hilarious.
Oh, the pumpkin, remember on Rotten.com?
Oh, yeah.
That was gross.
Which one?
You showed me the potato one, that was enough. Oh, the potato and jelly.
Alright, this way to the cave. Haley's heading there now.
Yeah.
Hey guys, as a warning, do not sit down in the cave because that dust in there is all poison oak dust.
What? Why are we even going?
We sat in there before.
I know, but I got the most of it. Right on my ass.
Not very good.
This cave
I thought it was deeper.
is the home of coyotes and a mountain lion.
Wow, let's.
So why are we here? Okay.
I'm gonna sit.
Who wants to trek up that mountain for that house?
Have good luck with that.
Poison oak.
Knock on their door. We're lost.
Use your bathroom. I have to poo. Oh my god, a kid used the bathroom at my house one day. It was disgusting. These are those round kids. Tim.
I came down here to sit in
yeah,
a cave.
yeah,
I'm
round
sitting in a
kid.
cave.
Well, you took a dump in there? Huh. It was musky in there. And it smelled so bad.
That's gross.
Oh, hey. Crash your recording. Fly two sparrows in
I'm so protected. I didn't see your sister
Stop.
playing golf. It hurt.
Oh, that was a sparrow.
Well, it's from Nessa Classified.
Oh.
Alright, you guys.
Protected. I even see your
That's
sister playing
okay.
golf could hit me. And then they come in.
You
on
should
a
do
golf
it right
cart and they
there.
Run them over. They're like,
We won't tell anyone.
what's she done?
Haley has to pee.
Not in there.
Alright, see you later, guys.